Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your POCO M5. So to begin, open your Google Play Store. Here in the search pool enter Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Here we can turn on synchronization for the app. I'm gonna do it later. Accept or not for a setup for the data showing preferences. You can also set Edge as a default browser. And finally, we can start browsing. So open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.